In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to an email in Gmail. By the end, you'll feel comfortable responding quickly and clearly using the standard reply feature. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your inbox, where your messages are listed. Locate the email you want to respond to. You can scroll through your inbox or use the search bar at the top to find it by a keyword from the subject or the sender. When you see the message, click it to open the full conversation view. With the email open, look toward the right side of the message area for a left-pointing arrow labeled Reply. Depending on your screen size, you may also see a reply button near the bottom of the message thread. Click that. This tells Gmail you want to respond directly to the person who sent the original email. A compose area will appear with the subject line automatically filled in, usually starting with re. Below that, you'll see a text box where you can type your message. Gmail also includes the original email below your reply so you can reference it as you write, which helps keep the conversation clear. Now, compose your reply. Start by acknowledging the sender or the topic so the purpose is clear from the first line. Answer any questions directly, and keep your message focused on the original topic to avoid confusion. If there are multiple points, consider short paragraphs to make your reply easy to read. You can use the formatting bar at the bottom, things like bold, italics, or lists, to add clarity, though keeping formatting simple is often best for readability. Notice the recipient field is already set to the original sender. That's what reply does. It targets only the person who emailed you. If the original message included other recipients, you'll see a separate option called Reply All. But in this video, we're sticking with a standard reply to keep things straightforward. Before sending, take a moment to proofread. Check tone, spelling, and clarity, and make sure your reply includes any key details the sender needs. Avoid including sensitive information unless you're certain it's appropriate and secure. If timing matters, you can also mention when you'll follow up or what the next step is, so expectations are clear. When your response looks good, click Send. Gmail will confirm that your message has been sent, and your reply will be added to the same conversation for easy tracking. That's all there is to it. Open Gmail, find and open the email, click the reply icon, write your message, and hit Send. Simple, clear, and done.